Hello, this is a 2-minute video for Lotus 7 Club members to show you how you can find out which mailing lists you are part of and also how to join new mailing lists. As a Lotus 7 Club member, you can join multiple mailing lists from different regions or interest groups. To find out which mailing lists you're on, log into Love Admin as you would normally. If you don't know how to log into Love Admin, contact the office and they will give you instructions. Go to the personal details section of Love Admin. Here you will see a viewing form, this box here. Click on the side and you can see which areas you are subscribed to for the mailing list. And every month when an AR or might send out an email, you would receive it. To join a new mailing list, go to the payment section. Hopefully your computer is a bit faster than mine is. Once you're in the payment section, go to the left hand side and here's a list of all the areas that you can join. So this person, Fred Blogs, or his membership, he's going to join the Cambridge area. So I'll click on Cambridge and then Fred Blogs, you click select and there's no cost to join. It's a strange system, but this is how it works for us. And then you click on this box here, submit, and now Fred Blogs is a member of the Cambridge area for the emails. If I go to personal details, we'll now see Fred Blogs has joined the Cambridge mailing list. Okay. If you want to leave a mailing list because you don't no longer to be part of it, the way to remove yourself is to email the office and just ask them to do that. Right, I hope this was useful. Good luck and goodbye.